This video will cover the solution to practice exercise 2. To start off with, we're going to remove the 0 elevation points from the surface build. So we navigate to the surface properties. We can then go to the definition tab. From here, we can set exclude elevations less than to yes, and then set the value to 0.1 feet. We will then have to rebuild the surface, and we can then see through the contours that the 0 elevation points have been removed from the surface. Next, we're going to open up the Properties palette and change the surface style to 1 foot and 5 foot contours. Now we're going to create a copy of the surface style and add smoothing to improve the appearance. To do this, we open up the surface properties, and then using the drop down next to the surface style, we can click Copy Current Selection. We can then navigate to the Information tab and change the name. We can then go to the Contours tab, and under Contour Smoothing, we can set Smooth Contours to True and leave the type as Add Vertices. We can then use the slider to set the smoothing to around an 8 or a 9. We can then click OK and OK again. And we can see the appearance of the contours has now been improved. Finally, we're going to add some contour elevation labels to the surface. We navigate to the Annotate ribbon, then click the Add Labels drop down. We can then click on Surface and then Add Surface Labels. We can then set the type to Contour Multiple and then set the Minor Contour Label Style to None. We can then click Add and then draw a line that crosses the contours that we want to label. We can then press Enter to complete the command, and then we can select the labels, and in the Property palette we can set Display Contour Label Line to False.